We don't want the crumpled t-shirt neck around the hairline. We don't want that, okay? We don't want that, Cheryl. Well, hiya. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Hairvivi. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. Now, before we get into this easy breezy, no glue, no gel, seamless install, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to, oh, wait a minute. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. But sometimes you fall. 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 Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall.
So what did I say, y'all? What did I say? Look. Hello. Are we back, sis? glueless? Oh, I think she might be. Oh, I think she might be. Did y'all miss me? Because I missed y'all. And you know, I'm still a little sick, so my voice does sound, you know, not 100%, but I want to get myself together, okay? I've been in sweatpants and muumuus for about a week and a half now, and I can't do it no more. I need to do some makeup. I need to look like I belong here. You hear what I'm saying? So like I said, this unit comes to us from Hairvivi. Now, as y'all know, or maybe you don't know, Hairvivi does come for the pockets. And I mean heavy hitter with the zero, okay? But for all that you get with this unit, I can't complain. So let's go ahead and talk about it. This unit, like I said, is glueless. The main takeaway from this video is a glueless install, okay? A lot of you guys be asking me how I install my unit, how I spray it down, how I make it look more natural, how you wish that you could do the same thing. Listen. You could do it, sis, because I didn't pluck not near hair out this unit. I didn't spray no edges down. I just cut the lace on my unit and put this unit on my dome. You hear me? This unit is sitting on my head gluelessly, okay? No glue, no gel. It's flawless. And what makes this unit glueless is the construction of this cap. This unit does come with a bleached pre-plucked hairline, as well as 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. It also has a thick adjustable elastic band, as well as the V-shaped ear tabs on the side, and a nape protection situation in the back. I don't know what it's called in the back. I call it nape protection just because, you know, it's protecting my nape. The combs in the back of my unit, it be getting my kitchen, okay? And I don't like that. But with that nape protection, those little felt pieces they added to the back of my unit, it sits real snug against the nape of my neck, y'all. And it's real soft and smooth. Like, I can't feel nothing back there. No comb, no nothing. And then when it comes to the sides, those V-shaped ear tabs, listen. If you want your unit to be glueless and you don't want Cindy Lou and them flapping in the wind, go ahead and bend that joint or press that joint into your side here. And look, do you see a gap? Come on, do you see a gap? Tell me, do you see a gap anywhere? I don't, and y'all know I'm blind, so let me go ahead and double check real quick before I be out here clocking myself. Ooh, they dirty. Ooh, this is embarrassing. Got a whole bunch of mosquito dust. Lord have mercy. I don't see no gaps anywhere along my hairline. Let me see, where my little comb at? Where my little comb, my little situation? Here we go. Hello, come on. All up in there and around the crown. Listen, I'm here for this, okay? Okay, listen. If you don't feel like learning how to make your unit natural for you, then you're gonna spend some coin on the units that already come natural looking. You know what I'm saying? Let's say it again. If you don't want to learn, or you don't want to take the time to make your units look more natural for you, then you're gonna have to spend the coin to already get the natural look. Make sure you tighten down the adjustable straps and your elastic band in the back to make sure you get a snug fit around here, because you want it to be as snug as possible so that you don't have no gaps around your hairline. That's the one thing we don't want, okay? We don't want any gaps around the hairline. We don't want the crumpled t-shirt neck around the hairline. We don't want that, okay? We don't want that, Cheryl, okay? No, this unit will slip back if, you know, it's not secured around your sides. So if you need to use your combs, use your combs. But y'all know I don't like using my combs, okay? So I like to wear my wig grip with my combs slammed up on the side, okay? I don't like putting the combs directly into my hair because that's how I lose my edges. We still trying to keep our edges consecutively, okay? All the time, I want my edges on my head. Now, out the pack, I'm gonna tell you, I was confusion, okay? I was real confused about this wig. I thought they sent me some trash, okay? I was about to be hot because the unit already comes parted on the right side. So the way the unit was sitting out the pack when I pulled her out, it was shifted to the middle. So the blunt cut of this side was sitting over here on the side of my temple. And I was like, wait a minute. We're not doing that, Hairvivi. I know daggone well y'all ain't send me that, okay? But they didn't. Once I put it on, I figured out, oh, okay, it's supposed to be a side part. Now I get it. Now I get it. So be mindful of that. Out the pack, she's gonna look a little wonky, but once you put her on and start to, you know, flat iron her and everything, should be good to go. I did use my new little flat iron here. It's like a flat iron and curler all in one. Like, I like this. And I was about to spend $180 on that little, what's that Bayless flat iron joint. But I was like, you know what? I don't even want to do that. So I went on and got the little dupe from Conair for about $30, and listen, she works, okay? She works. So I did a little curl situation in this joint, and I'm actually really here. Wait, the hair keeps getting in my mouth. And I would definitely say this unit is beginner friendly. All you gotta do is cut the lace off, bump the ends, and that's it. Okay, that is it. Okay, so now that we got her all together, I think she's cute, y'all. What y'all think? But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Hairvivi for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link as well as my specs down below, so if you guys want to check this unit out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.